First, we need to remove this side plate too. Install the mold wheel. Also remove the 2 screws connecting the base plate and the back panel. With that done, the back panel can now be taken off. Here we can see 2 snap rings. They can be removed using snap ring pliers, after which the side panel can be taken off. Once the mold wheel is positioned, insert the key into its keyway. A copper rod or rubber mallet can be used to tap it into place. This completes the installation of the bottom mold wheel. Now, we can proceed to reassemble all these components. Next, let's begin by installing the handle. Then remove all 4 screws from the top, both front and back. This makes it easier to install the mold wheel. Remove the side plate on one side and then place the mold wheel into position. Insert the shaft so that the exposed portions on both sides are relatively even. We can see that there are grooves on both the front and back. Now insert the locking pin. With this, the mold wheel installation is complete. Next, let's observe the machining process. Adjust the compression rotations based on the pipe. More rotations bend faster but require more force, while fewer rotations are slower but easier. For 2 to 3 rotations are typically ideal. Remember to frequently correct the pipe's position while machining, or else it'll end up off track, just like this.